Top tips for trackers. 1. Choose the right track. There are tracks for all levels of experience and fitness, so it's important to choose one that's right for you. Consider factors such as the length of the track, the elevation gain, and the terrain. If you are a beginner, it's a good idea to start with a shorter and easier track. 2. Train beforehand. Trekking can be physically demanding, so it's important to train beforehand to avoid injuries. Start by doing some short walks and hikes, and gradually increase the distance and difficulty as you get closer to your track day. 3. Pack the right gear. Make sure you have the right gear for your trek, including proper footwear, clothing, and backpack. Your footwear should be sturdy and waterproof, and your clothing should be comfortable and breathable. 4. Stay hydrated. It's important to stay hydrated while trekking, especially at high altitude. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. 5. Take it slow. Don't try to do too much too soon. Start slowly and gradually increase your pace as you get used to the altitude and terrain. Take breaks often to rest and enjoy the scenery. 6. Climb slowly. Acute mountain sickness can kill, so ascend slowly and take rest days to permittance on any track above 2,500 meters in elevation. 7. Heed the weather. When tracks go wrong, it's normally because of the weather, so check the forecast. If conditions look bad, stop somewhere safe and sit it out, rather than pushing on over the next pass.